everyone, it's Crypto Chuba. It's October 17th of 2022. I know it's been a while, so let's take a look at the markets and see where we're standing. What I like to do is first go top down. So if you could kind of see here in Ethereum, let's go into the monthly view. So the monthly view, we're kind of getting out of the bear market, but it's gonna be a little bit turbulent, right? Like we have this flash over here, right? Singly, it wants to turn around. When you compare it to Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin actually looks about the same, better in terms of stochastic. But when you look at Chainlink, Chainlink is already kind of recovering a lot faster. So if you guys actually remember in 2018-19, Chainlink actually led everyone. And is actually looking like it's gonna break out sooner than the other coins, right? So this is why I have been super bullish on Chainlink, and I've been accumulating since June, like all the year basically. Since it's gone down from 16 to 11, I've been accumulating 11 to 535. I've been accumulating. I missed a dip right now at 6.3, but I don't know. The markets are kind of iffy because now let's look at the 2 weeks. This is what kind of makes me iffy. It looks kind of overbought in the short term, but on long term, it's gonna be more aggressive than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, it's still my number one holding right now, Chainlink. Um, the next one would be Avalanche, and then, of course, you have Bitcoin and Ethereum right after. It basically sold off a lot of my, altcoins just because at this point, there's no point of holding any altcoins, and I was able to kind of sell them off right before everything went down. So just sold them off to kind of cover a lot of my positions. So I'm looking, to be patient, but also not, get kind of liquidated in any sort of way. So, you know, maybe look at 2 week, even on a 1 week, right? It looks really overbought. But the crazy thing is when you look at the 2 day, it looks like it's gonna have one more run. So it's really freaking weird. And if you kind of see since like August, it's just been chopping up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's like really tightening. So in the main thing that I'm really bullish about Chainlink is staking's coming out in December, right? So it's gonna have a pump to maybe like 15, $20. That's like a 3x. 3x at bear market prices. My plan is to maybe sell off like 50% of my Chainlink, convert them into Bitcoin. Because when you look at Bitcoin in the short term, it's gonna, it's kind of overbought already, right? In 2 weeks, that's some kind of maybe Bitcoin. And uh, November 20, actually August, I remember August 20, perfect time to sell your Bitcoin and sell off and with Ethereum or Bitcoin, right? Could have either way. And I remember going forth, and I already sold mostly all my into Ethereum. You know, bit and sold all my Ethereum. 67% of my Ethereum back into Chainlink. And again, I held that all the way from here. This is BTC, but look at Ethereum link, right? This is just it was a terrible, terrible time. I could have made way, way more money, but I got really, really aggressive, and so it went down like a lot. So in terms of Ethereum to Chainlink, Chainlink if it goes to back to its all-time high, let's see, it's zero point 0. I think it was zero point 0. Let's look at this. 0.04. Oh my God, it could do like an 8x relative to Ethereum. But you could kind of see even on a monthly, it's looking overbought. But again, if it kind of keeps this momentum and we do the same thing, that's why, like, I don't know, I'm really liking Chainlink. I'm really afraid to even trade it back into Bitcoin. I've been waiting since 2020, right? And holding Chainlink. I'm not gonna sell it now, right? Um, Ethereum, Bitcoin could do whatever they want. I have my Ethereum, Bitcoin holdings. I bought Ethereum when it was 1,020, 1,017. I was not able to catch the damn drop at 900. It pissed me off. But I have accumulated a lot of my Chainlink. I mean Ethereum when it was like around 2 to 300, and I haven't really sold any of it. Um, So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So, I think it's scary right now. Bitcoin's pumping right now, but it's just like we're not out of the woods. Everyone's scared. Everyone's like, oh my God, what's gonna happen? And to be honest, no one knows. Stop following all the YouTubers thinking that they know. Short term, it looks like Bitcoin is gonna go up, right? Look at this. This is beautiful. But again, it's kind of like Chainlink, right? Short to medium term, who knows, right? It's looking overbought. I would not be willing to buy a new position right now just because I like buying when it's a stack. This is like near zero. This is still in the middle. I'm not gonna buy any positions right now. Um, so I'm just waiting. I bought a lot of I redeploy a lot of capital, and I'm saving 50% of my capital in case it keep going down. Because again, when it went down from 30,000 to 25, no one expected that big drop, and no one expected it to go to 17. No one. If you were telling me you did, you don't know what you're talking about. And that surprised everyone. And so my recommendation is just like if you see my channel like 2 years ago in 2020, I said we're looking super bullish. We're kind of nearing to the same point, almost 2 years later, right? Once you get that green flash, right? I think it was here. Yep, May 20, I said around that period, we're gonna go up. I didn't expect to go to 10,000 or freaking 60,000. That was pretty unreal, not gonna lie. So I didn't even think it was gonna go that much, right? But again, stop looking at the 1 to 2, 3 day charts and look more at the monthly, 3 weeks, even 2 months, even look at 2 months. Um, Again, this looks like it still has some time to go if you look at the 2 month. And that's what's crazy about this whole system, right? When it was May 2020 last time, it was perfect. You couldn't get a better thing. Here it looks like we might go down a little bit more. And then with Chainlink, let's see Chainlink. Yeah, this actually looks like it might reverse a lot faster. So again, I don't want to talk too much today, but I just want to keep giving you short insights. Hopefully keep these videos pretty short. Just kind of produce a little bit more content. I want to make sure that I'm there for you guys during the tough times. I basically meant a lot. This is my third, I guess, market inception. So 2016 to 2018, I learned a huge lesson taking profits, but no one even phantom to know how this bull run went from 8,000, 3,000, 3,000 to 60,000. That's a 20x plus. You could have chose anything, Ethereum, Chainlink, anything. Everything went up at least 20x, which is just insane. And this next bull market, I don't think we're going to go up 20, 30x. I'm taking a 10x and I'm good. Everything's positioned right now. So if we get a 10x, I'm set for life. It sucks because it took me what? Now this is year 6 being in crypto, and has taught me so much in terms of perseverance. And whoever's out there who watches this, it is dark to be in crypto, but it's also glorious. And it's your appetite in investing. Not everyone could handle this. So, my recommendation, just keep dollar cost averaging and putting all, what you could afford to invest when you can. Again, this is not financial advice, but you know, we're we're looking a little bit better, but there's still some pain. And thus I haven't really deployed all my capital yet. But yeah, guys, I'll try to post at least twice a week moving forward, and let's get this channel pumping. See ya. Peace.